Welcome to Mindful Pathways, your guide to inner peace and mental well-being. In today's world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. Our minds are constantly racing, bombarded by a never-ending stream of thoughts and worries. But what if I told you that there are simple, practical tools you can use to find stillness amidst the chaos? Today, we're going to explore 5 powerful mindful tricks to help reduce anxiety. These aren't just quick fixes. They're practices rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern science. These are tools you can carry with you, techniques to ground you in the present moment and help you navigate the challenges of life with more ease and grace. Whether you're dealing with daily stressors or facing moments of intense anxiety, these mindful tricks can empower you to reclaim your inner peace. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a calmer, more centered you, take a deep breath and let's begin. Anxiety often expresses itself in our bodies, in the way we breathe. When anxiety grips us, our breath becomes shallow, rapid, almost as if we're struggling to catch our breath. This change in our breathing pattern only amplifies our feelings of panic, creating a vicious cycle. But there's a powerful antidote to this mindful breathing. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently, and bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold the breath gently for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Continue this cycle for a few minutes, focusing on each inhale and exhale. This simple act of mindful breathing helps regulate our nervous system, slowing down our heart rate and calming the stress response. Our minds can trap us in a whirlwind of worries and what-ifs. Grounding techniques can be incredibly helpful. Reconnect with the present moment, anchoring yourself to the physical world. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Take a deep breath and engage each of your senses. Name 5 things you can see. Notice the details around you. Identify 4 things you can feel. Name 3 things you can hear. Identify 2 things you can smell. Name 1 thing you can taste. This exercise shifts your focus back to the present moment. Anxiety often manifests in our bodies as tension. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is a powerful technique for releasing this physical tension and easing anxiety. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Start with your hands. Make a tight fist. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly release. Notice the contrast between tension and relaxation. Move on to your forearms. Extend your arms. Bend your hands upward. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Continue this process of tensing and releasing, moving through different muscle groups in your body. Focus on your biceps, triceps, shoulders, neck, face, chest, back, stomach, legs, and feet. Each time you tense a muscle group, hold for 5 seconds, then release slowly. As you move through your body, you'll likely find that some areas hold more tension than others. Simply acknowledge the tension without judgment and continue to breathe deeply as you practice releasing it. This technique helps you become more aware of your body and the tension it holds, allowing you to release it and find relaxation. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending subtle signals about our physical and emotional states. The body scan meditation helps us tune into these sensations and find a sense of grounded presence. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting upright with your spine straight. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the contact between your skin and the surface beneath you. Notice any sensations in your feet. Spend a few moments simply observing these sensations without judgment. The body scan meditation is about becoming aware of our bodies and the messages they're sending us. By bringing mindful attention to our physical sensations, we cultivate a deeper connection to ourselves. Our minds can be like pressure cookers, especially when we're feeling anxious. Mindful journaling offers a powerful outlet for these thoughts. You don't need a fancy notebook or a specific writing style. Just grab a pen and paper or open a note on your phone and start writing. Set a timer for 5 minutes and let your thoughts flow freely. This is your space to express whatever's on your mind without judgment. By focusing on gratitude, you train your mind to notice and appreciate the positive aspects of your life. These 5 mindful tricks, breathing, grounding, muscle relaxation, body scan, and journaling, are simple yet profound practices that can bring immediate relief to anxiety. They're tools you can access anytime, anywhere to help you find calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your efforts along the way. Try incorporating these mindful tricks into your daily routine and see which ones resonate most with you. Experiment, explore, and discover what works best for you on your journey to inner peace.